In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent Grok from remembering your conversation history on X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is useful if you want a little more privacy when using Grok and you prefer not to have your past chats saved as part of your interaction history. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, open X.com or Twitter and make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. On the left navigation bar, click More. This will open up additional options and settings that are not shown by default. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account preferences, privacy controls, and safety settings. Once you're inside Settings, click Privacy and Safety. This section contains important options related to how your data is handled and what information is stored or shared. Next, look for Grok and third-party collaborators and click it. This is the area where you can control how Grok interacts with your account and whether it can remember previous conversations. Now find the toggle that says Allow Grok to remember your conversation history. To stop Grok from saving your conversation history, simply turn this toggle off. Once it is disabled, Grok should no longer remember your past conversations moving forward, and that's it. You've now changed the setting to prevent Grok from remembering your conversation history on X.com. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.